is your girl. It's your girl, Latanya Washington here. And so I wanted to come in and talk to you all because we are now in a place where we are in our lead magnet series. Now, this is for small business owners and entrepreneurs who are looking to utilize your social media platforms to pull in your audience, to pull in your target market, to pull in your niche market. Yes, it is spelled NICHE, your niche market. These are the people that are very interested in what it is that you offer, whether it is a tangible product, whether it is a digital product, whatever product it is. All right. And so with that, you all remember, let's begin to evaluate once again, what is my lead magnet? Now, remember, this is only for people who are looking to utilize your social media platforms to market, to promote yourself, to promote your brand, to promote your product, to promote your service, what you are offering out here to the community. All right. And so with the lead magnet, you all, it is the freebie. It is that free thing that you're giving to the audience. Now, in order to give them the freebie, they have to do something, okay? Now, the lead magnet can include different things. It can include a checklist. It can include a video tutorial. It can be it could be a discount on something that you have. It could be a coupon on something. It could be maybe a free entry into a webinar. It can be any of those things, but it needs to be focused in on what it is that you're offering to the audience that you're looking to pull in. That is a lead magnet. I'm giving the people who are really, really interested in what it is that I offer, I'm giving them something. But guess what? They're giving you something too. Because in order for them to get the lead magnet, there needs to be, roll call please, what we call an opt-in page or a squeeze page. So many times, if you've paid close attention, you may see social media and you'll see people giving information on something, a topic of discussion, and then it may say, click the link in my bio and receive this at next level of information. You'll begin to see those things. Well, guess what? A smart marketer is taking people to what we call the opt-in page. That is where people are giving you their information. And then after they give you the information, it could be their email address and or their phone number. More than likely it is, many times it's just an email address, so you're able to send them the lead magnet, as well as many times people may require you to send them, add in a phone number. That is so they can text you, or if you choose to be on their text messaging system as well. So that's the opt-in page. Now for me, I personally use ConvertKit. I use ConvertKit. It allows me to create forms. It allows me to do landing pages, and I utilize that. And then my lead magnet is also connected to it. So what begins to happen? This is why we talked about our content creation. At the end of the day, you all, you want to make sure that you are creating content that is pulling in the right audience for you. Otherwise, you can be posting, you can be entertaining, you're doing all of these things. People are liking, they ha ha. They're just soaking in all of your information, and there are no real leads. Okay, you want to get down to the nitty gritty. You want people who want more. Now, give yourself some grace, because sometimes it takes time to get there. Because what has to happen when you're providing people with information, and when you're providing people the content, the right people, remember, the right audience will come to you as long as the content that you are providing, it is content that is valuable to them. Your content may not be valuable to everyone. Well, you don't want them anyway because they're just looky-loos or they're ghosts and they're just here. They just happen to you just happen to pop up in their feed, but they're not looking to purchase anything from you. All right. You want the people that are willing to purchase from you. I'd rather, in all honesty, I'd rather have 100 people who are consistently purchasing from me opposed to 1,000 people who are just looky-loos. I want you all to hear this. You want the people, if it's 100 people, say you have 5,000 followers on one of your social media accounts. Well, all these people won't see your information. First and foremost, okay? Second of all, everybody's not going to want what it is that you offer. Like I said, they'll come around, but they're not trying to buy for whatever reason or not. But you do have those that will. Now, so what do we need to do? We need to get them into our opt-in page or our squeeze page so they now provide you the information. And what begins to happen? They see your content, you do a call to action, whether it is save this post, whether it is send me a DM with the word strategy. They send you a DM with the word strategy. We can utilize what we call chat bots. When it sees particular words, it can automatically send people now the link to the downloadable for your downloadable. Okay, so you can ask people to either DM you the word strategy that you're focused in on for that week or for that day, or you can ask people to go up into your profile, click on the link, and it'll take them to the opt-in page. So they're putting in their email address, they're putting in their phone number if that's something that you want them to do. And on the back end, you all, what's happening if you have the system, you hear what I said? You have the system set up correctly. Once they send that information, they provide you with the information, boom, automatically, they will get your lead magnet. Once again, what is your lead magnet going to be? It is that downloadable, could be a quick check, it could be a worksheet, it could be a checklist, it could be a coupon, discount to something, it could be something for free, whatever you choose it to be. All right. So we're giving to get. All right. Content. I'm providing content on my social media platform. I'm marketing. I'm promoting my product. I'm promoting my service. Now, here's the key. Even though you have this product and this service, we still have to understand that people and our audience, the people who see our stuff, they go through a journey. They have to see your information. That means you have to be visible. They have to begin to trust you. That means I'm putting out information that they find. It could be entertaining, inspiring, it could be educational, and they keep coming back. And what the platforms begin to do, depending on how long someone keeps coming back to your platform, or they may be leaving a comment for you, they are sending you a like, the platform will keep sending them back to you. Okay, what begins to happen as well, because we are, we're creatures of habit. Many times we'll go search for people. Okay, and what begins to happen then, once again, the platforms will put you in their feed, which means now all of their information is always coming to you. I want you to understand, content is king. And as we're putting out the right content, remember, always do a call to action. Click the link in the profile, or save this for a rainy day. Tag a fellow small business owner. Tag someone who loves jewelry. Tag someone that is really trying to find themselves, okay? Because the platforms love that too, all right? So now, once they of course, go in maybe and leave a DM for you with particular words. You then send them the link, or you have a bot that automatically will send them the link that then they then click on that link. This is the opt-in page, you all. I use ConvertKit. We're going to be going through all of this because I have an upcoming, we call it the attraction method. I have an upcoming lead magnet workshop on the 20th of July. Click the link and get signed up for it, okay? Now, You then take them to the opt-in page. They give you their email address. They add in their phone number if you ask for it as well. And then automatically they get that lead magnet. All right. Now, what happens once they get the lead magnet? If you have everything set up correctly on the back end, it now takes people through an email sequence. So now, once they put in their information, they should receive a confirmation email. They can now go through the process of welcome email. We are consistently sharing more and more information, and there's more to it. But I want you all, especially small business owners and entrepreneurs who are literally saying, I need to really, really utilize these social media platforms and begin to promote what it is that I love, what I'm passionate about, these products that I have that are simply amazing, my affiliate link, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you are focused in on that. Just the other day, another platform that I use, another software that I have that I utilize, I shared this with my people that were part of my last workshop. There's another platform that I utilize, and they just came up with something, and I think it's their anniversary. I think it's their year anniversary. Now, for the first person, the winner of this, and I think they're having something, and then it ends at the end of, or the middle of July. All right. So the winner will receive, they're going to receive this, it's a major gift. I think there's a runner up, but everyone who participates, they have to do certain things. They just have to put in they have to tag them as well as use a specific hashtag. Well, what is this? That's what we call a campaign, when we're utilizing specific hashtags. Now, what'll happen is everyone that participates will receive free credits. Now, the more and more I talk, if you utilize this software, you know who I'm talking about, all right? And I think it ends July 15th. Now, that's a good thing to have. And so with that, I want you all to know we have to be intentional, and we have to be consistent, and we have to make sure that we are doing the work in order for it to work. Okay, so I wanted to just stop in and share with you the opt-in page. Of course, the lead magnet. We have our lead magnet series that's coming up on July 20th. Make sure you are registered for it. Right now, I am doing a half off. There's a discount code that is available. It's below, but it ends this weekend, I believe, Independence Day weekend. But I wanted to come in and I wanted to share that with you all, because we have to begin to utilize these platforms and not just put up a post, but I want us to begin to realize we need to be strategic so we can put together our system and our structure. So when we're doing absolutely nothing in the middle of the night, the platform is working for you. All right, it's your girl LaTanya, and make sure you are registered for the upcoming, the attraction method, our lead magnet workshop. We're gonna get it to work. Let's get it in. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.